Okay, David Yeti, we just replaced the bottom bracket and headset per your request, and definitely still making the noise. Hear it there? So, I don't know what to tell you. I think time for a new bike.